Hi, I'm Robert Easter. I'm president of American Industrial Brands, and I'm here to tell you about our project in Kokomo, Indiana. We are in the sanitary wares sectors, which is your kitchen and bath products. We are reshoring American manufacturing in the heartland of America, and we're doing it with high-tech robotics. We're excited about your EB5 process, and we know that our project is something that will help you realize your dreams as well as our dreams of establishing American manufacturing in Kokomo, Indiana. American Industrial Brands is a manufacturer of bathroom fixtures. We have 3 processes that we are currently undertaking and producing in acrylic, which are our bathtubs, our porcelain, which is our sanitary wares, and plastics that are used in some of our valves that we use in our products. We've got a team of industry experts that are reestablishing a 335,000 square foot facility in Kokomo, Indiana. Once completed, we expect to produce up to 1.1 million units per year of sanitary ware. So let me tell you a little bit about the problem reestablishing manufacturing in the US. One, it's very costly. For years, domestic manufacturing has been offshore for obvious reasons. It's cheaper, cost of labor. Problem with that, takes a long time to get to the United States. So again, where we are right now is the whole world has changed with COVID-19, disruptions in manufacturing. It was no longer in time. It was very disruptive. It has really affected our supply chain. And it's really important to be close to our customers. And so we find ourselves in not only a need, but we also find ourselves in a position to actually be able to compete cost-wise with these imports. And it's just, how do you put one together? In our case, we have got a great team. We've got a great location. We've got a low cost of entry, and we have a business that can pre-sell its products to our customers. The great thing is demand for sanitary ware is not going to go anywhere. People still need it, and it goes in every home and business in the US. Because we're using robotics and we're closer to our customers, we reduce a lot of cost in logistics. And also we can deliver just in time. Plenty of customers that are going to need these products, and making it here just makes sense. Our factory will be 100% robotic processes where humans can control the quality and the production capacities that will help us be a very efficient operation. There are no human hands that actually touch the products while they're being manufactured. There are quality controls. However, the heavy lifting and the pressing is all done by robotics. We call this grade A, and grade A receives the highest price points because they are flawless. In our case, it also cuts down the overall labor cost and provides higher paying jobs for essentially computer operators or robotic operators as they watch the production and manage that process. And that's the beauty of robotics. Lastly, we are a private label sanitary fixtures OEM. That is really important because we work on contracts. One of the things that is missing in American manufacturing for this sector is private label fixtures that can be sold to big box stores. This is exactly why we exist, to support those big box stores like Home Depot, Lowe's, Ferguson, that all have a private label, and currently they are importing. So our solution is to be successful in our processes, successful in our sales and marketing up front so that we can be part of their solution. The common thread with our locations is the Mississippi River. We know that the cost of logistics coming from the West Coast with competing products is more expensive because of logistical disadvantages. We're east of the Mississippi, we're in the Midwest, and we're very close to big population centers. So that's where our customers are. More than 60% of the US population live 1 day's delivery by truck from our factory. So our products are sold close to our customers, which makes sense and a cost advantage. Let's talk a little bit about our prior capital raises. Myself and other founders have already committed $7.5 million to the project in 2018. Additionally, in the past year, we've invested another $3.75 million of our own money, and AIB was successful in raising $4.5 million from non-investors in 2021 as direct equity investment. We are currently constructing and redesigning the Kokomo factory and equipment at a very fast pace. We've also created 60 jobs. So we're well on our way of completing our goals and continue that progress. So a little bit about accomplishments to date. Our construction process and our recommissioning is almost 75% complete in the Kokomo factory. That includes completed offices, some interior manufacturing build-outs, our air, our fire safety systems, all have been put in place. We're now working on our equipment and our kilns. In addition to that, we have solved major production efficiency improvements that will help our overall capacities for making products. We've identified the raw materials needs that has improved our production efficiency drastically, which is meaningful in our production output. We already have contracts to secure reputable customers. And let me tell you, one of the things we're most proud of is we pre-sold 50% of the production that we expect to Briggs, Menards, and Clayton Homes. And we're negotiating for the other 50% for the additional capacity with a major national wholesaler. So we're looking forward to having a completely pre-sold factory at startup. I've introduced myself to you, Robert Easter, President. I want to talk to you a little bit about Chuck Dockery, our CEO. Chuck is a world of experience. He actually operated the largest bathtub facility in the United States in Knoxville, hence our distribution center. He is spearheading the Kokomo efforts. He's been all over the world, phenomenal talent, just an incredible asset to our team. Nick Quattro, our CFO, has actually had direct experience in operating a sanitary factory in his early career. Nick is years and years of experience in these types of situations in manufacturing, accounting, and operations. Additionally, we've got an experienced management team, marketing team, engineering team, and they are actively working in the kitchen and bath sectors. All of those individuals will be able to really look at producing the best products, quality products, our customers are looking to buy. We would like to raise $12.8 million from our EB5 efforts, 16 investors, with a minimum investment of $800,000. The funds will be used directly for construction expenses, equipment expenses, and any payback of bridge loans. We expect to complete over 160 jobs for those EB5 investors. We also have a phased investment opportunity that allows you to put the $80,000 plus half the required investment and then pay the remaining within 6 months. So that can be split, if you so desired, for your investment into the company. We do have a clear exit strategy, which includes a 5-year loan secured, as well as 2 possible 1-year extension periods. Additionally, we have an I-526E denial refund. In case you are denied, we will return your capital. Additionally, this project is third-party fund administrated and broker-dealer supervised. So one of the benefits of our structure financially is as we close this last round of EB5, we actually pick up money that is very low cost, and that is new market tax credits that literally help close out the project with EB5 investment. So when your investment is made, we actually get another 40% in credits. So the source of funds is outlined, how we use it. New market tax credits obviously is major building system improvements, upgrades, repairs, and then our equipment, as well as some working capital. No EB5 funds will be used for the working capital component. It will be generally the Kokomo budget direct improvements and, again, any bridge loan financing payments. So that is a good use of funds. It's direct to the project. It's going to create jobs, and that's our intention. As far as our financial forecast, we are forecasting to pay out in year 5 all of the investment with EB5 and have projected that. We have basically 18% on net revenues, profit margins, which allow for aggressive cash flow. Our EB5 investment required to pay first before any equity distributions. Again, these are pre-sold contracts for our production, which give us a very strong financial position. The job creation summary, as we've talked about, 16 EB5 investors, 160 eligible jobs, but we've already created 60 jobs to date. And our new jobs will include accounting, personnel, shipping, marketing, sales, and other office administrative roles. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn about American Industrial Brands. If this project is of interest to you, please reach out to EB5 Marketplace or check out their website for more details. I appreciate your time, and I wish you the best of luck in your immigration journey.